always like return customers. So this customer was in here before, had to have all this done once before, and now they're having it done again. There's my sticker from 2017, and then when you always could see on my caps, I always have my name on my caps when I can. And oh, but there's another Honda over here, brand new Honda. Check this out. It already has a leaky condenser right here. There's a leak down in this area. I don't know if the camera could pick up the shading right in here, but it's leaking right in here. It's starting to collect dust. Also, let's see, right, I can't know if the camera, can the camera pick it up down here? A little shading down there too. So what year is this Honda? Let's see, this Honda is 2018. A 2018 Honda Fit, leaking condenser. I wonder if we're going to have a pattern problem on late model Honda Fits. We'll find out. All right, guys, I'll see you later, and I'll get this one done. Oops. See what our oh yeah, letting it sit to see how far the pressure decay back under refrigerant, because I'm going through the recovery procedure. I think I'll hit it one more time.